Do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell to get the latest update.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is subtraction of 4-digit numbers for kids. I will show you easy way to subtract 4-digit numbers. If your child does not like mathematics and they don't like subtraction because they are not getting correct answer, you are at correct place. Must watch complete video for your solution. I will show you the easiest way to subtract 4-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, and they will get 100% correct answer. This process must take 1 or 2 minutes extra, but it is a guarantee that you will get correct answer and they will be very happy to get the correct answer easily. Let's start today's video. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell to get the latest update of my latest video. Let's start today's video.
First we will start from small example. 91 minus 39. We can spread this 30 plus 9. Now we will do subtraction 91 minus 30. First with this. So this is easy. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 9 minus 3 is 6. Here is 61. Now remaining is 9. So we will subtract 9 from 61. So we will take one borrow from here. Now this is 11 and this is 5. So 11 minus 9 is 2 and remaining is 5. So 5 is here. 52 is our answer. In this way, you can get 100% correct answer and 1 or 2 minute extra time. But it is important to get correct answer. Let's see next example. Next example is 3-digit number. 321 minus 199. So 199 we can spread in 100 plus 90 plus 9. First we will subtract 321 minus 100. This is 1, this is 2 and 3 minus 1 is 2. 221. Now we will subtract 90 from here. Now 1, we will borrow 1 from here. Now this is 12 and this is 1. So 12 minus 9 is 3 and 1 is remaining, so 1. Now 9 is remaining, so we will subtract 9 from here. We will borrow 1 from here. Now this is 11 and this is 2. This is 2. So 11 minus 9 is 2. We will write 2 here and 1 here. So this is our answer. There is no way to get incorrect answer or wrong answer because you are subtracting a small numbers or round figures. So let's see next example. Next example is 500 minus 199. In the same way we can expand this 100 plus 90 plus 9. First we will subtract 500 minus 100. Now this is 400. This is very easy. Now we will subtract 90 from here. This is 0. We will borrow 1 here. This is now 10. And this one 4 will be converted to 3. So 10 minus 9 is 1 and we will write 3 here. 310. We will subtract 9. We borrow 1 here. So this is 10 and this is 0. So 10 minus 9 is 1. We will write 0 and write 3. So 301 is our answer. Let's see next example. So next example is 4-digit number 4901 292192. We can expand this as 2000, 100 plus 90 plus 2. Now come to subtraction part. 4901. First we will subtract 2000. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Now we will subtract 100. 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 1 is 8 and this is 2. So 2801. Now we will subtract 90 minus 90. 1 minus 0 is 1 and we will borrow 1 here. Now this is 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now this is 7. So we will write 7 and 2. Now we will subtract this 2. 2711 from here. Minus 2. We will borrow 1 from here. Now this is 11 and this one is 0. So 11 minus 2 is 9. We will write this 0 here. 7 and 2. This is our answer. In this way, we can subtract 4-digit, 5-digit numbers and you will get 100% correct answer. Because we are subtracting round figures, there is very less chance to get incorrect answer. So must try this method and write your experience in the comment how you are experiencing this exercise and this practice.